Hi everyone, today we have another simple project which is to add a lever to our kitchen faucet. The design software I'm using is FreeCAD. We will start with a simple cylinder with an OD of 33.5 mm and a thickness of 23 mm. Next, we will make a circular extrusion cut with a diameter of 27.5 mm and a depth of 20 mm. Oops, some mistake here. Let's make a correction. Should be 20 mm, not 30 mm. Let's correct that. Next is to add the lever to the cylinder. Line the square with the edge of the cylinder. The thickness of the lever is 4 mm and then the length of the lever is 45 mm. Next, using the extrude to surface function to extrude to the bottom surface. Next, we will add in the inner gear teeth. We will be using a simple rounded shape for the gear teeth, and then we need to center the gear teeth to the inner wall first. The rounded gear teeth will be 1 mm in diameter. We will be using the extrude to surface function again to extrude this gear teeth to the bottom of the inner wall. Next, we will be using the polar pattern function to replicate this gear teeth for 36 times. Next, we will add fillet to both sides of the lever to add rigidity. Next is add some chamfer to soften the edges for a more comfortable grip. Alright, that's it for the design. Ready to print. Alright, that's it for this project. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.